All right, so this is the lab in here now. This is the 360 lab getting cleaned up today after long. This is one of the mixers sitting here. So things are in here. Few of the mixer up in here. The pedal board in here, few of the mixers in here. Another big mixer is in the studio, not in here. Somehow it's coming the black and white, that's fine. All right, so this is the lab of the 360. Few of the things, the camera, one of the camera came in here as well. The thing is in here. One keyboard up in here, another one in there. Few guitars are dumped in here. The drums are in here, and some of the in-house speakers are in there. All are the gears, some of the speakers in here too. Stands things, some of the equipments are in here as well. All the speakers, mic, there are a couple of things are in here. Some processors, some gears, some mics are in here. There are some more thing in here. All the things are in there. There was another rundown was there. Here are some speakers up here. Some gears are in up here. This is one of the lab door is open. This is basically in the outside of it, and here is one of the drums, few guitars. Some gears are in here, like the cables. Things are in there. I don't know. And this is one of the boot side of in the lab. And what I wanted to show was forgot what I wanted to show. Yeah, some stuff. So these are actually getting cleaned up today. Some bigger speaker down here, and some mics are up here. Different mics are in there. Yep, so that is it for now. Okay.